Hello beautiful people, this is Ambassador Stores. Today I want to make some meat pie, so let me show you how I make this yummy meat pie. In a bowl you sift your flour. So I'm using 3 cups of flour. So you can see the dirt I'm saying, so it's very important you sieve your flour. I'm adding my sugar at this moment, then nutmeg, then some baking powder. So you mix that together, then I'm adding my butter. It's very cold butter, so you do that, you mix until flaky. And I added cold water. You add that bit by bit, not once. So this is the consistency we are looking for. You can see the dough. So I'll put in a plastic wrap and refrigerate. So this is our filling. I'm using pepper, meat, carrot, and Irish potato with some onions. It has been diced here, so this is what I'm using. So in a pan, you add your cooking butter or vegetable oil. I'm using cooking butter, so I added my onions. So I added my meat. So it's a bit pink now, so you allow that to fry until when it's brown. Then you know your meat is done. Then you now add my Scotch bonnet pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice. Some diced tomatoes as well. So you mix that and you combine and stir. So now I'm coming in with my ingredients. I'm using rosemary, curry, some ginger powder, some garlic powder, some chicken seasoning, and you stir. So at this time I added my potatoes. So you start to combine. Then I'm coming in with my carrots too. It has been diced. So you combine, and I'm coming in with my corn flour slurry. Yeah. So that one will thicken it and it's going to give it a good moist. So you cover that for 5 minutes. You allow that to cook. So this is 5 minutes after. So this is what we have. You can see now our filling is ready. So you can adjust with anything you want at this time. So you bring it down and you allow that to cool off and set aside. Now our dough that was refrigerating, now it's out. You cut that into different sizes that you want. So I'm rolling out one dough now. So I'm using my meat pie cutter. We have that for sale as well. So you can use your cutter, then you brush with water so that it doesn't burst open or stick. It's going to allow that to stick. Then you cut out the excess. That is how this is the second method. You just do it like that, just the normal method. Then you just use your fork to pinch the angle. This is the third method. I'm using my pot cover. You can use any round object, then you cut it, you put your filling, and you just seal it up with your fork. Then this is the fourth method. You can just do that. You scrape the edges, and this is everything. Now I'm brushing this with my egg wash so that it's going to have that brown crust texture. Then you poke with some fork so that it's going to get inside it, and you bake in 180 degrees for 25 minutes. So this is what I have after 25 minutes. You can see our meat pie is ready. Very yummy, very flaky, very moist, and very fresh. So if you like my method, my recipe, please follow, like, and share my videos. God bless you. Bye.